What's up, everybody? It's your girl Jessica, the girl with the pretty long hair, better known as Blessedbyjess. I am here with another tutorial for you guys. It's not going to be too long of a video. I'm just doing a taper on a high taper on both sides and in the back. He's not getting the top cut off, so I would just be shaping it up and see right here that the first step, you always want to make sure you pick out the client's hair or brush the hair before you start cutting. Okay, so you guys, before we get started with this video, I want you guys to like this video, comment on it, subscribe. Also click the little notification bell next to the subscribe button and you'll be notified for all of my videos and when I upload. Let's get started. What's up, everybody? See right here, you see I am starting off my first guideline, which is the ball line with my trimmer. So here's I'm doing a second guideline, which is the lever all the way open with no guard. You see I'm following the pattern the way the hair grows, so that's the way you want to cut it. And yeah, so right now I got my clipper on halfway closed, so I can soften up the bottom line. And then after I do that, I will close the clipper all the way and take out the rest of that line. Okay, you guys, so right here I will be starting the neck guideline, which is the number 1 guard on with the lever all the way open. You just want to take it about an inch, a half of an inch, and when you're doing it, make sure you're flicking out so you doesn't dig into the afro. So that's what I'm doing right here. Okay, so the neck guard I have on is my number 2 guard. I'm not necessarily making a guideline. I'm just cleaning it up so it can blend in with the number 1 guard. So I have the lever all the way open, just scooping out, and that's all I'm doing. So my next step I'm going to do is I have my 0 guard on with the lever halfway. I don't have it closed all the way. I have it halfway so I can soften up the middle line and get the line out. Soften up the line. So and then the next step I would do is put the lever all the way closed and take out the rest of that line. Yeah, I'm just doing some detail work, just cleaning up the rest of that bottom line. I'm just using my trimmer to get the rest of that line out that I see. I know you guys probably can't see it, but I definitely can see it because I looked into the mirror and I still see a little line. So you want to also make sure that you turning and looking at your mirror, because your mirror does not lie. Okay, the side taper is going to be the exact same type of step that it is on the back, so I will go ahead and speed this process up and let you guys continue to watch this video. Enjoy it, sit back, and I hope you learned something. Okay, right here, my first step, I will start off with my ball line. I'm doing a mid-high taper, mid-low taper. And I'm starting off my first initial guideline, which is the ball line with my trimmers. So my next up is I'm going to create my second guideline with my lever all the way open using my wall magic clip. And I'm also going to go ahead and take out that bottom line. With the lever halfway, I soften up that line, and then also I close the clipper all the way and take out the rest of the line. See right here, I have my number 1 guard on all the way open. And then I'm going to go ahead with my 0 guard close and take out the rest of that second line. You want to also make sure you're using your corners. I know it looks like I'm using the whole clip, the whole guard, but I'm necessarily not. I'm just using my corners. So sometimes the 0 guard doesn't take out that guideline, so you want to use your trimmers all the way open and get the rest of that line out. Not your trimmers, I'm sorry. your clipper. And right here I have my 2 guard on, just shaping up around the afro. And I'm just doing some detail work. So I'm just gonna let you guys go ahead and enjoy the rest of this video. And I'm gonna also speed this process up. So right here, what I'm doing is I am brushing down the front hairline so I can prep the hairline to line it up. And what I like to do is I like to get my number 1 guard on all the way close and take down the bulk from the hairline. And then I will spray some holding spray on it and blow dry it on cool, and then I'll line it up. And when you are lining up the neck, you want to make sure you use your corners around the ear so it can give you that circular line. And then when you get to the back of it, you can just use the whole trimmer and line the rest of it. Right here, I like to start off with the vertical bars first, so I know exactly where so I can make sure that the line come out straight as possible. And then I like to start in the middle and work my way to the right, and then work my way from the middle back to the left. Thank you guys so much for watching my videos. If you like this video, please like it, comment on it, subscribe. Also, don't forget to click the notification bell next to the subscribe button. This is the cut. I hope you guys like it. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe.